Hello, welcome to next session. In the previous session, we covered the topic centrifugal compressor. Now we'll cover the topic axial compressor. It is there in the syllabus of GATE Aerospace. That is axial compressor, angular momentum, work and compression, characteristics and performance of a single axial compressor stage, efficiency of compressor and degree of reaction, multi-stage. It is also there in civil services syllabus. That is this part: axial and centrifugal flow configuration combined, design of fans and compressor, single problem compressor, and after that there is turbine, and it is also there in IFS syllabus. So that is this part: theory and design of axial flow axial flow turbines and compressors, flow through turbo machine blade, casket, centrifugal compressor, dimensional analysis and modeling. Okay, so this is the syllabus of topic axial compressor for GATE Aerospace, IAS and IFS.